And if we go over here, that's the way to the waterfall. Yeah, so we just went past someone. We didn't realise he said it was about 40 minutes to go, which shocked us. So I definitely won't film all of this, but we'll film some of the journey and then, yeah, tell you if it's worth it or not. But I'm not sure it's meant to do that.
Yeah, it's meant to do that.
Oh, in this heat, this is definitely a workout. There you go, look, I told you, someone would set up a business halfway.
Coconut water in the store.
Do you want some?
Maybe later.
All the way down? Yeah, right, I don't know how long we've been going. It has been probably 20 minutes. Oh, it is hot and sweaty work. But we're just over halfway, according to some people who we just passed. So yeah. But everyone has said it's worth it, so we shall see. But this is the reality of going through. This is hot and sweaty work. Right, this is our first sign of some sort of waterfall. See loads of little ones over just over there. Do you want to go that way?
Yeah, some slide. Like that.
Okay, there's loads of little waterfalls over there. Alright, so we will take the route over here and see where the bigger one is, big waterfall. Right, we're still climbing. We have no idea what that sound is, but it's so loud. That might have been the old path, because
This old path.
it's a big waterfall down there. Oh my days. It's coming down I'm not looking forward to. Okay, I think we nearly made it. Oh, we're nearly here. Oh, I'm definitely swimming. Oh gosh, and here we are.